Once you log in the system, to access the laboratory module, you can go to modules, and here you can search the name like lab. So it will show you all the laboratory options screens. Then to start the process, the first option is to go to pending test. So when you click on pending test, system will show you all the tests which are pending, for which sample is not collected or result is not entered. All of them will appear here on the screen. So here you can see the details. There is MR number, visit ID of the patient, patient name, order number, test name, who is the conducting doctor, prescribing doctor, prescribed date, remarks, and report status. Here beside the test name you can see the flag. So this blue color flag means that the sample has to be collected, it is not yet collected. And white means sample is collected but result is not entered. Below there are some flags. If it is gray means unpaid bills. If it is green means completed. Blue means ready to collect sample, and yellow means select outsource. So to proceed with the sample, you have to click on the sample and then you have to click on collect sample option. Once you click on collect sample option, system will show the details. Okay, then here you have to select the sample type. Pregnancy test you are doing through blood, semen, serum, urine. You have to select the sample type. Then you have to check this option of collect. Then click on save and print. So once you click on save and print, system will save the record and it will print the barcode. If you click on save, it will generate sample number. Okay, so like this you can save the sample and you can also print it from save and print option. This is the first step. So once you collect the sample, then here it will be there in pending test until you enter the result. So when I click on this, here you can see there is option. Okay, manage reports, print report wise visit, print sample worksheet, view add document. Suppose once you collect the sample, the next step is sample assertion. So without sample assertion, you cannot view or edit the result. So for sample assertion, you have to go to the module screen. And here you can search by lab. Then you can see the option of laboratory pending sample assertion. When you click on this pending sample assertion, system will show you whatever the samples you have collected today. Search, you have multiple options to search. You can search by sample type, conduction type, or you can write the patient MR number, sample ID, sample date, then assertion status, pending, asserted. So you have different search options to search the pending assertion. So when I click search, once you click on search, you can see all the pending samples. Here also you have option. Green color means asserted, white means pending, red means rejected, and green means closed bid. So here suppose I want to accept this sample. So here I will click how many quantity I received, one. I will click this checkbox, then I click assert. Once I click on assert, the sample is collected. You can see the color changed to green. Now suppose in the same screen I want to reject one sample. In that case, I will click on this delete button. I will write the rejection reason. I will write the rejection reason and then I will check this box. Then I will click on reject. Okay. Once I click on reject, here you can see the sample changes to red color. So it means the sample is rejected. So like this, you can accept the sample, you can reject the sample. For rejection, just click on the delete symbol, this symbol, then write the sample rejection reason, then click on reject directly. No need to checkbox. This is how you can do the sample assertion. Then the next step after sample assertion is entering the result. So for entering the result, you can search by lab, and here we have option. You can go to pending test directly, and from here you can do the result entry. Now after sample assertion, I will click on the test. Here I will click view edit result. Once I click view edit result, I can see the values. Here I have option to select the value. I will write the value and the ranges will come. Once the data is uploaded, the ranges will come directly. So we have to write the value, and here we have status in progress. In progress, it means it is not yet completed. So you can save the results, but it will not appear to the doctor. Okay, so you can keep it in progress and you can save. So it will save the result, but still we have option to edit the result or make it complete. Okay, so now when I go back, I can see here it is still is view edit result only. So here now if it is completed, I will click on completed. I will select this complete all. I can set here as the conducting doctor. It will come. Then I will click on save. So once I click on completed all and save, the test is completed. So when you go back to the pending test, here the test will disappear because it is completed. Now it is in the next process of validation and sign off. So to see validation, to do the validation and sign off, you can go to lab pending test, or sorry, you can go to lab reports. When you go to lab reports, here you can see the flag is showing as green. Green means completed. So from here again you have option to view or edit result and validate. Here you have option to change or edit the result. Then if it is validated, click on validate all. You can see the status changed to validated. Once you click on validated, if the user have access to sign off, the sign off will also appear. So here I want to sign off. So I will click sign off. Then I will click sign off and print. So when I click sign off and print, it will do the sign off, validate the result, and it will print the report also. So like this, you can do the result validation. So when I go back to laboratory results or laboratory reports, here I can see it's changed the color to blue. Blue means it is already finalized. As I finalized and I did sign off, I can see the results in sign off reports. When I go to sign off reports, when I search here, sign off date is required. I can put the sign off date for today. I'll click on search. So here you can see this is the test we already signed off. So from here you can print the report, or you can reconduct, or just click on the report and click on print. So it will give you the printout. You can print the report, or suppose you want to amend the report or you want to add addendum, just click on add addendum. Okay, then here you can do add addendum also. When you click add addendum, it will open you a form where you can add your informations. Okay, then click on save. So it will be added as addendum with the patient result. And from this screen also you can print the sample if you want. After sign off, if you want to reprint the sample, you can click sample label print and you can reprint it again. Now I'm doing save for this. So once I click on save, the addendum is saved. When I go to report list back again, here I have option also to search from different search fields. Okay, when I click on search here, if there is any test which is not finalized or not signed off, it will appear on the screen. So like this, you can view all the information of the patient from sign off reports. This is the process. The first one is pending test. Here you have to collect the sample. Then the second step, lab pending sample assertion. Then after lab some pending sample assertion, we can view or edit the result from pending test option. You can go and you can click, you can add the result, you can write the value, you can select status whether in progress completed. Once you click completed, it will go to laboratory reports where you can validate and sign off. Once you sign off, it will go to sign off reports from where you can print, or you can revert the sign off and enter the result again, which is write based. There is one more option. Suppose if the test is not happening in your clinic, then you can, if you are getting report from outside, you can attach that report also to the patient file. How you are going to do it? Go to laboratory pending test. Here you can see the sample is collected. So click on the result or the test name, click on the test name. Then here we have view add document option. Click on view add document. Okay, then click on upload file. click on add. Here you have to give the document name. Like suppose you are attaching biopsy report. So I will write here biopsy. So right here biopsy. I will select the document date. First you have to scan the report or download the report in your PC. Then click on choose file and select the file from your PC. For an example, I have selected the file. Then I will click on save. So once I click on save, the file is attached. So like this, you can attach the outside report also. If you are doing any test outside the clinic, you are getting the report from them, then you can attach file also in the form of a result and it will show to the doctors in EMR.